There are a lot of ways to save money on repairing and even replacing your roof, but many homeowners just don't know about them, so they spend hundreds, if not thousands of dollars more than they have to. And with inflation sending the price of building materials sky high, a large-scale roofing project could easily clean out your rainy day fund and send you into debt. Let's avoid that. I'm going to list the best ways to save money on your roofing project. I'll also talk about the biggest mistake I see homeowners make when trying to save money on roofing. If your roof has a manufacturer or installer warranty, you should utilize it anytime you need to repair or replace your roofing materials. That's what warranties are for, after all. If you notice that your roof needs work, track down your warranty documents, like I'm doing, to learn if your warranty will cover all or parts of the costs. Now, you should know that your warranty may not cover all repairs. Most warranties exclude certain types of damage, and all warranties expire after a certain amount of time, though inclusions and coverage periods differ between warranties. Additionally, not all warranties are transferable between homeowners, so if your roof was put on your home before you owned it, its warranty may not apply to you. There are also a few ways you might accidentally void your warranty. DIY repair work on your roof will usually bar you from making a claim, so will foregoing routine inspections and maintenance, which is why the roofing upkeep tasks I outlined in this video are so important. Now, if you don't have a warranty that covers the damage you need repaired, you may still be able to make an insurance claim. Contact your homeowner's insurance provider to ask what your options are. Now, if you can't cover your project with insurance or a warranty, there are still a few ways to keep costs low. The first is to get cheap replacement materials. Now, asphalt shingles are usually the most affordable roof covering, though installing them means that you'll miss out on the benefits of some more deluxe roof coverings, which you can learn about by watching this video. It could also save you thousands of dollars. That said, asphalt shingles only last 10 to 20 years, while other materials have much longer lifespans, so upgrading your roofing could save you money on repairs and replacements in the long run. It will just cost you substantially more right now. Bottom line, if money's tight, asphalt shingles like these are probably your best bet. Next, let's talk about getting quotes. Now, take it from me, roofers don't all charge the same prices for their work. Factors like the size of the roofing company, the different manufacturers they may work with, and their availability can all affect their rates. This means you should get quotes from multiple roofing companies before hiring one. That way, you know which roofers are the most affordable. And be sure to keep the quotes as similar as possible by asking the roofers to include all the same materials and all the same services on their quotes. I should warn you though, that getting multiple quotes means some roofers may not want to work with you. That's okay. If you get an affordable quote from one trustworthy company, it could be a good idea to just hire them instead of making them wait for you to gather a few additional quotes. Purchasing and installing your own roofing materials instead of hiring a professional roofer might seem like a good money-saving idea. Once again, I highly advise against going the DIY route. Even simple roofing components require a lot of practice and expertise to install correctly, and working on any roof can be fairly dangerous if you aren't properly trained. So the results of DIY roofing projects can be shoddy, if not absolutely disastrous. To make matters worse, if your work isn't up to code, if it leaks, or if you have any other problems, you'll have to pay for the repairs yourself, since the work won't be backed up by a licensed installer. At the end of the day, it's better to just save enough money or to take out a loan to pay a professional roofer instead of attempting to repair or replace your roof yourself. Now that you know how to save on roofing, the next step is to find qualified installers in your area. Click the pinned comment below to get started, and if you've learned something from this video, like and subscribe. That way, you'll see all the home improvement resources we'll publish in the future. See you around.